Hey everybody, and welcome back to Farm Girl in Progress. I am Nadine. I am standing outside of the Lebanon Expo Center because I am here for my very first rabbit show ever. I am showing my American blue bunnies today, and I'm going to do my best to bring you guys along. So let's go head inside and I'll show you my bunnies. Alrighty guys, I am all checked in and heading back to my bunnies now. Here's my babies, guys. We've got Cobalt and Miss Ravina. Hi, guys. There are a ton of people here. And now we just kind of play things by ear. So throughout the day, I'll do like little video clips for you guys and try to bring you along on my first bunny trip ever. Or first bunny show ever. There we go. Alrighty guys, after waiting all morning, we are getting very close to showing Mr. Cobalt and Ravina. So I'm gonna go ahead and load them up on my cart so I can just wheel them up there since they don't like being handled too much. And hopefully I can catch the judges' remarks on camera for you guys. And so I have a reference point also. So excited. Hi, buddy.
Karen Wood, please report.
That head, more openness and substance on those ears. She got more length of body, get up her shoulder, nice midsection of loin, but lacks width off the base of the hind-quarter. She's a bit frosted in color, nice texture on it though. Just like to see more of her. How about A9M? He'll win the class. He's got a good head, good ear set on him. He's got nice length of body, good up the shoulder. Profile's out pretty nice. I'd like to see him just a bit wider in the back third of his loin, nice and straight to that lower hind-quarter. He's got a nice feeling coat. Just a little stained in his color today. Nice buck, good animal.
Alrighty guys, so I kind of have some mental whiplash because this show was, when it was my turn to show, it went by so fast I really didn't know what happened. So I actually had to go and find people and be like, I don't know what just happened. Can you explain this to me? And it turns out that Cobalt, my buck, placed first in his class and my doe placed fourth. So I didn't even know I placed until I went and found some people and was like, hey, I don't know what's going on. Can you help me? So that's really good for my first show, guys. I am blown away, and like I said, still kind of recovering from the mental whiplash of winning and not knowing that I won and not knowing, gosh, anything. So yeah, that was the first day. I still have 2 shows to do here this weekend. So I have an open show tomorrow and then a specialty class tomorrow for the American Blues specifically. So I'm really excited to see how they do tomorrow, being that there's going to be a couple more breeders here. So I am going to hop off of here for tonight, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Morning, guys. It is day 2 of our bunny show. Today I have 2 shows. I have an open and then a specialty show. And I am on my way there right now. I am super excited to see what today brings. Considering yesterday was a total shock. I wasn't expecting anything, and we won first. So that was pretty cool. So I'm excited to see what today brings. Alrighty, guys, we are here. My hair's mess. So let's go in and see the bunnies.
Give it a boys. Slightly too air, but that shoulder doesn't open up into that rib. Him chopping off quick over the top of that hip. When you get him to sit still, he just fails in the depth of body over the front, sliding off his neck. Hollow the hip wing junction. He's also very blotchy in coat color. He doesn't quite carry the intensity of color. Decent amount of depth of it, but he's getting beat out on rabbits that have a little bit more evenness of color, a little bit more strength of the bone. And so they're not quite as narrow about that rib spread, giving them that weak taper to him. Good coat structure, just poor conditioning, stained.
To table 3 for best in show.
He's got excellent length of body. He carries good depth through that shoulder. He carries a good start to the rise, but really chops off over the back of that hind quarter. He needs a lot more fullness in that lower hind quarter. He's a bit unfinished in color. He does have good density and texture to that coat. And this girl just needs a little more maturity. 352, 35Z. She has excellent length of body, very good width through that shoulder. She carries good depth up through that midsection. She needs a little bit more depth in that hind end, a little more filling out around the base of that hind quarter. She's got a very good head and ear. I'd assume she's probably a younger girl.
Alrighty, guys, so that wraps up day 2 of our rabbit show. The first show that we did today, Cobalt won 4th place, and Ravina got DQ'd because she was underweight for senior class. And then the second show, the American Specialty that we did, Cobalt again placed 4th, and Ravina surprisingly placed 2nd. So they did really, really good, and I am very excited for my first rabbit show and how well it did, and I learned a lot. I was able to pull aside a judge and get more detailed specifics on the American Blues and what they look for, so that was really nice also. But now it's time to clean up and head home. So thank you guys so much for coming along on my first rabbit show with me. If you guys have any questions, comments, any of that, go ahead and leave in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to grow your planted.